Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just a few minutes. Plus if you want this free template you can ask in the comments and I will show you and I will send you the link in the comments. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is go to format background, change the background fill to black like this. So the next thing you have to do is just change the color, and then what you have to do is just add a title on top. Then we're just gonna insert a rectangle, change this fill to a color, go to effects. From here we're gonna give it the soft edges. Again we're gonna change its fill and then give it this soft edges, the last one, increase its size, go to transparency, make it more transparent. Then we're just gonna put another of rectangle on top of it. And the next thing you have to do is just put a colored rectangle on it. The next thing you have to do is insert colored number on top of here. Then we're just gonna fix these. Then what you have to do next is just put your content text right here. Then we're gonna just select all of these shapes and then duplicate them. Here we go. Then we're just gonna change the colors and also change the background numbers. Here we go. Then after just changing the color, what you have to do is just change the numbers as well. So yeah, this is the final result. Make sure to subscribe.